How to change password of an FTP account in cPanel. If you wish to change the main root FTP account, you need to change the password of your cPanel account. To change the password of a specific FTP account, keep watching this tutorial. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to the Files section and click the FTP Accounts. Now scroll down to the FTP Accounts section. Here locate the FTP account whose password you wish to change. Then click the Change Password. You can either enter the password manually or generate a password automatically. To generate a password, click the Password Generator button. Copy and save this generated password in a safe place. After saving the password, check this box and click the Use Password button. Click the Change Password button. Now you can access your FTP user account with your new password. Thank you for watching.